Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now we're going to do something a little bit different this week. We're going to make some wands. Now if you look back at my channel 3 or 4 months, you'll see a Deathly Hallows bowl which I made for a client. Now that couple have come back to me again, and for the anniversary this year they want me to make them 2 wands. They gave me some ideas of what style of wands they want, so I've done some preliminary drawings. They've been approved, so now it's time to start making them. I've got a piece of hawthorn here, which I think is going to be ideal. There's 2 very different dimensions, so I've got a line drawn here of the bits I'm going to cut up. This is going to be for one wand, and this one's going to be for the other. The reason why that's a lot thicker is because that wand is going to have a curved handle, like almost like a pistol grip. So that's this week's video. I'm not sure how it's going to go. If it doesn't go well, then we'll use some different wood, but we'll give it a good go. Right, thank you very much indeed. Let's get started. Okay, we've got the first wand on the lathe. And I'm going to be working between these 2 areas here. That's where the wand is going to sit. So very, very similar in the way that I designed the finial. And we're working from this end down. I don't want to get the whole lot too thin, otherwise it becomes unstable. So I'm going to keep my plans close so I can measure as we're going along and see how we get on. Okay, that's pretty much the first bit ready. So I need to take down a bit further and then work on the transitions between this section and the next section. Okay, it's not meant to happen. Luckily it's a very, very clean break. Oh, okay. Okay, it's 2 clean breaks. Right. I think it's time for a plan B. Okay, take 2. This is not hawthorn, this is tulip, but at least we've got a nice, straight, strong grain that'll hopefully not disintegrate as soon as it gets to a certain thickness. Right, I think I want to get this majority down round first before I start shaping individual areas. We'll see if that gives us more luck. Okay, things are going better than before. I haven't broken anything yet. So let's just get our overall measurements in. So one's going to be 12 inches long. First part is 1, 2, 3, 4 down. Second part is 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, and then the handle. So okay, so we're going to slowly, I think I'm going to take it down all gradually until we get to where we want to be. Start up here. Whew. Okay, nearly there on the design. I just want to check the length over, make sure I've gone far enough at this end. I think I need to go a little bit further, but we're getting into dangerous territory given what's already happened. We need to put a little curve on here, but we'll worry about that when we start to part off. There's also some decoration I intend to put on, but again, I'll worry about that after I've done some sanding, I think. Where's the guys? All right, let's look at, check the overall length. Oh, not too far away. I'm going to go into this end here very, very, very carefully. Okay. Yay. We have the makings of a wand. Right, so let's change the bit in my Dremel just to a suitable bit to put the decoration on that we want for this. Right, on my plans I have dimples on the ends of these finials, you could call them. So I've just put a small rotary sander, burr, whatever you want to call it, in the Dremel. And we'll just put these in. Not going to be too heavy, just very delicate, light touches. Let's give that a very, very light sanding now. About 400 grit. I didn't initially intend to gilt this finial bit here, this ring, but I don't think I'm going to be able to get the gilt in there, so I'm going to use the next best thing and use some gilt cream. Just going to use this as a steady rest for my hand. Okay, nice. This dries pretty quick, so I'll be able to clean it up in a second or two. Right, now this client wants this one lift very, very light, so I'm not going to use a shellac based sealer. I'm going to go with the a cellulose sanding sealer, which is very, very light. It doesn't stain at all, hardly. We'll finish off with a Hampshire sheen. I'll put this on, I think, when it's spinning. Slowly this out there. And there's the first wand. Just about complete. I'm going to trim off these edges on the bandsaw. Sorry, the compressor gave me half earlier. Right, I'm going to trim off the edges on the bandsaw and then just touch at the end with a bit of sandpaper, and then give them the same treatment as this one. But apart from that, it's done. I'll bring you back and show you that when it's all cleaned up. Right, first one's out of the way. Now to start the second. These are the dimensions and this is the shape we're trying to create on the second wand. So I'm going to transfer some of this dimensions onto this blank and then just cut out a few bits rather than turning them away. I'm going to leave the full width at the bottom because if I cut out just one side ready for the handle, I'm going to have enough center of gravity and it's going to throw things out, I think. So I'm going to leave the bottom the full width, or as much as I need, and then worry about the top half first. Okay, we're all set up. We'll start off by rounding this end piece and then figure out where we go from there. Okay, it's good, no obvious defects in the wood, so all systems go. Just make sure I preserve the overall length of the wand. turn. This is just so I can easily see it when I'm turning. So I know where I'm going. Right. Okay. I'm going to sand these bits. Get ready for cutting out this bit. Okay, I've got a lot of the detail work done with the larger grinder. So now I'm going to put a little sanding bit in the Dremel and do some finer touching up, and then we'll get into higher grit sandpapers to finish it off. Now the first wand I left very light at the request, but this one I want darker, so we shall make it darker. I think we'll make it, try a bit of burning as well. That's better. Excellent. We'll let this sit to dry, and then we shall polish it up. It'll stay there. I'll be back in a second. Before I put the polish on, I'm just going to seal this wand. Right, I'll put a bit of polish on this in a second, and then we'll come back and have a look at the end results. That was the concepts, and these are the end results. Thank you very much indeed for your confidence in me to be able to produce your anniversary present to each other. I hope you like them. I hope they give you lots of joy in the future, dueling it out with each other, or dueling together against the foes that may come to oppress you. But apart from that, thank you very much indeed for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, then please hit the like and subscribe. If you'd like to see more ones, then leave a comment as well. And any comments left will put you into the competition for a bowl when we get to 2,500 subscribers. But apart from that, thank you very much indeed. I'll see you next time. Okay. It's not meant to happen.